Get ready to defeat functions, the ultimate boss level of code. Use them to make your own custom code blocks and add mind-boggling mechanics to your games, like dancing, jumping, running, flying, or shooting a rocket into space. Functions are a way to create your own custom code block. You can program a function to do one special thing, then use it again and again. For example, let's say you want to teach someone a new dance move called the splits. The first thing you would have to do is show them how to do it step by step. Slide one leg forward, slide the other leg back, drop down to the floor, and arms in the air. Once you've taught them the steps, they can do it themselves over and over again. So the next time you feel like dancing, you don't need to explain it step by step again. You can just say, "Hey, do the splits." Functions work the same way. Let's say you're making a dancing animation. You want to animate your character doing a bunch of dance moves. We could copy and paste the image and sound blocks every time we want to do the splits again, but it's so much work. Making a function out of it is way easier. You can use functions for just about anything. Ready to be the boss of functions?